height of geostationary satellite is around 36,000 kilometer from Earth's surface. But we know that for a geostationary satellite, the value of time period is 24 hours. So while using this value, we can find out it, but the calculation is little bit difficult. We know the equation for a time period, that is 2 pi into under root of its or orbital radius raised to 3 divided by gm. So from here we can find out what about the value of r over here. So we can write this as basically, if you are squaring on both the side, it is t square is equal to, we can write it as 4 pi square into this r naught raised to 3 divided by gm. So we can write this as t square gm divided by 4 pi square raised to 1 by 3 will give the value of r naught. Then once we got the value of r naught, then r naught minus this radius of earth will give the value of height. So we can write this height is equal to nothing but t square gm divided by 4 pi square raised to 1 by 3 minus radius of earth. And over here this time, we can time period, we know that 24 hours, so we need to put it as 24 into 60 into 60. The value of g, we know that 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 11. And the value of m, mass of earth, which we can take it as 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram, and this 4 pi are constants, and radius of earth is 6,400 kilometer. So while putting all these values, and if you are able to calculate, then we can find out the answer as nothing but 36,000 kilometers, or it is better to remember this value.